Apollo.io is a sales intelligence platform that helps businesses find leads, automate outreach, and manage sales workflows. Here's how you can find leads on Apollo.io. Sign up and log in. Start by signing up for an Apollo.io account and logging in. Access the search tool. Once logged in, navigate to the search tab in the top menu. This is where you will find leads. Set filters for lead search. Use filters such as industry, company size, location, job title, seniority, and keywords to narrow down your search and target specific leads. You can also filter by technology used, funding status, and more, depending on your target criteria. Browse and view leads. Apollo will display a list of prospects that meet your filter criteria. Each profile includes details like name, title, company, email address, and phone number. Save leads. If you find a potential lead, click the Save button to add it to your list of leads for follow-up. Integrate with CRM. You can integrate Apollo with your CRM like Salesforce or HubSpot to streamline your lead management and sales outreach.